AngloGold Ashanti's peak capital spend, as Kibali and Tropicana are now in production. 2014 will see a reduction of AngloGold Ashanti's project capital spend as demonstrated here. Tropicana is built. Capital spend in Kibali reduces and is part funded by cash flow from the operations. We have better faced our South African project spend, and marginal projects are being shelved. So the project funding in 2014 is really around Kibali, expansion at Cripple Creek and Victor, and the decline development at Obuasi. And this slide shows the leverage effect which AngloGold Ashanti gets in 2014 as the project capital expenditure comes down and the earnings from those two new projects goes up.
We're proud of what Randgold has achieved in partnership with our African stakeholders. In fact, the partnership concept is central to our thinking and crucial to our building a successful gold business in Africa. Our share price is one way of measuring that success and how you can see its performance relative to the gold price and the share prices of our peers since 2002 when the gold bull market started. Our challenge is to now continue building on that success, taking our partners with us and creating real value for all our stakeholders. Our growth strategy has always been a long-term one, and we make lasting commitments to our host countries. It's this long view that has enabled us to see beyond the immediate obstacles in the road ahead and work with the governments of our host countries to find win-win solutions to the many challenges we all face.
The theme, as always, based on our strategy, has been a theme of cost control, productivity, and efficiency control, pursuing quality growth, both in the field of exploration, organic growth, and certainly acquisition opportunities. Our primary listing, ladies and gentlemen, is on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. And it may be of note that back in 2005, we had a market cap of 5 billion rand, and today that is 45 billion. A remarkable growth story in itself. Our share price today is, when I last looked, was in the region of 214 rand a share. We're a diversified mining company with exposure to early and late cycle commodities and exposure to both the developing and the developed markets. Our principal strategy is a 50-50 JV with global majors where in principle we do the mining, they do the marketing and sales. The exception there is the coal division, which we hold a 20% stake in the PCB, which is the South African participation structure, and an effective 26% in TGV. The structure in the platinum division, we have two primary platinum producing operations, being Madikwa Platinum JV, which is a JV with Anglo Plats, the Two Rivers operation being a JV with Impala, and our nickel operation being a JV with Norilsk. The ferrous division, Assmang, the partnership there is with Assol. The coal, as I've alluded to, is a partnership with Glencore. And our latest introduction, which is in current ramp up over the next 2 years, in partnership with ZCCM and with Vale, is our copper and our copper exposure into Zambia. We also have a 15% equity stake with Harmony Gold.